AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, welcome, good morning to the micro soldering show. And yeah, today in the morning I just want to give you a little secret, and that's how to replace an iPhone 7 RAM, A10 RAM, out of another board. Okay, so normally the A10 CPU and RAM are sandwiched together. If I separate, and I want to show that to you on the hands because I already prepared a board where I took out the RAM. Okay, so normally if you take out the RAM of the CPU, it looks like that, so you can't use it anymore, you can throw it away. Okay, but we need a new RAM for this, and we don't want to order. So if I want to order new, I can place an order in the German web shop of rexcom.de, or I can buy it on AliExpress, or I can buy it on my chip supplier in China. But if I don't have a RAM here and I have a RAM repair and it needs to be finished as fast as possible, what can we do? And yeah, we can take that RAM out of another board. But how? And this is what I want to show you today in this video, how to get out an A10 RAM without breaking it. Okay, so we need another board. Here we got an iCloud board, I know it works, so the RAM is okay. Because some days ago I already did this video and I took a RAM out of another board and I didn't know if the RAM is okay, and the RAM was shorted, not by me. It was shorted before, and that's really bad if you want to do a video and then you see, oh, it's a shorted RAM. Okay, so we have to take out the EMI shield. After that, like always, we have to clean around. So you see that? I want to use that iCloud board for board swaps later, so I will take out the CPU gently. So we need to scrape around the CPU. And this glue needs some more heat. Sometimes the glue is not as hard, but in this case the glue is hard. And normally I wouldn't show things like that, but I saw that some other people made a video for that. So how to get a RAM out of a working A10 CPU. And I watched it and I thought, okay, you can make that better, and I just want to show you how that works in a really safe way without destroying anything, and with no cuts and no time lapse, and just a really authentic job. That's always important for me, to do no cuts and just an authentic repair where you see there is no fake, no time shoveling and things like that. Okay, cleaned the glue. Now I just want to take out the whole CPU. Why I take out the whole CPU if I need only the RAM? You will see that in a minute. Oh, now my hot air fucks completely up. JBC, rest in peace. Sometimes you hit the button for starting the hot air and it just doesn't react. If you click some more times, then it goes on and off, and then the system shuts down. but now we are back and we can do. And done. CPU is out. And now the secret move comes. So the secret on these works is that we now use a knife and a blade. A knife and a blade. And what do we do with the knife and a plate on a CPU? Wait for it. Wait until you see it, okay? We scrape, we scrape, we scrape. One time around. Just scrape away the solder points to get a clean surface. And people who watch me on Instagram already seen some fast videos like that. No YouTube stuff, but some Insta stuff. Oh, and what do we see here? Oh! Wait just some more time. So now I use a fresh plate because this one is old. I only wanted to use that for the pre-work. And now what about and now watch. Now really watch to see what we got here. Whoa, that's a RAM! You see? Underneath the CPU area, the CPU is sandwiched on a RAM, and we just want to get that free. And it has to be really straight. So that's really important. That we are really straight here. Flat surface. feel it. Just feel it. Feel where you can go on and where you need to stop, okay? Okay. This is just like scraping flex cables or things like that. Just need to see how deep you can go. And then gently scrape away. How many minutes video time? 12 minutes. That's okay, because we are almost done. And ta-da! We are done. Now this here is just optic. Okay, what I do now. You don't need to do that, but you can do if you want. Woo! It's work. It's really work. So, okay, that's done. And now it looks fine, I think. The next step, what we have 15 minutes, okay. The next step is just getting on some flux here and getting some solder onto them pads, so that later, if we do the reball, the solder sticks to the bottom of the RAM. Okay. I think that's fine. Now we scrape around just to get away the dirt. Then we use what about my speech today in the morning? Then we use a fresh wipe. Just cleaning the CPU. Or the RAM, sorry, the RAM. Cleaning the RAM. Taking a fresh towel. Placing that RAM chip here. And taking the stencil. Can you see? This looks good. Now we just get in the paste gently. Smooth and gently. Okay, after we did that, we take a wipe again. And you see that? We're sticking some solder. So go over it. Having a look, it's really clean. And do the reball. Okay, reball is done. Waiting a short time. And now we do a reflow. flow with stencil. Done! Now we can just use some contact cleaner, waiting until the solder cooled down. Okay, we see two bolts which just doesn't want to stick, but not a problem. We can do it in that way, or we can do them on later, not a problem. And we see only one ball here. I just want to take that off. Come on, baby. Go down here. Here we have. Yeah. And the rest is here, so that's great. That is really great. Yeah, here we are. Great. So just some more flux. And we can do a quick reflow. Let all of them bolts reset. And we have a beautiful RAM. Wait a short time until this has cooled down, and we can solder it down to the board. Here is the board, and here we have the RAM. So now we just place the RAM. Looks good, I think. And we can solder that. Pretty RAM down. Wait until the flux comes out at the sides. And have a close look that you have heat in all the areas same amount. And you see, it already sits. So we had really not much flux at RAM, so I just give it a little bit more in. And you see it coming out. Okay. Done. Waiting a short time. So we take out the board, having a look from the side, and you see it looks well connected, I think. Okay, I think this really looks good, like a sandwich you can eat. Yummy. Okay, so here you can see it's exactly the board. Okay, so let's check for the value on power supply. And this looks good, it looks like a boot. So we connect the screen. And boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone 7 after just replacing the RAM, taking it out of another board. Okay, so that's an easy way to help yourself if you don't have RAM in stock and you want to do fast repair or you want to save money. Okay, here you can see touch is working, EMI is there, serial number is there. It's an iCloud board. I just wanted to show you that this is really a job which everybody can do. You don't hear anything about temperatures and how to use the skills in my videos. That's like it is. But if you want to learn things like this at our one-on-one trainings, you can easily do that. You get all my secrets, all my techniques. I give all to you. All you need to know, just give me a message what you exactly want to learn to ben@apfeldoktor.eu, and I will give you an individual quotation. You get individual video stuff, and you get in training one-on-one on Skype with me, so I can show you what you need to learn. Okay? If you're working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, I would be happy to see you at our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. But please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. And by the way, order, buy the amazing ICC Pro, a tool which every technician in the whole world needs, in my opinion. I'm out. Peace. Boom! Back to life again. Stay healthy. Have a nice weekend, people.